Pericles was one of the most significant leaders of ancient Greece, renowned for his role during Athens' Golden Age. His contributions to the development of Athenian democracy and the cultural flourishing of Greece cemented his legacy as a transformative figure in history. Both his military and political brilliance helped shape Athens into a dominant city-state known for its arts, philosophy, and architecture. Born into a noble family, Pericles' father, Xanthippus, was a hero of the famous Battle of Mycale against the Persians, and his mother, Agarist, was the granddaughter of a prominent politician. This lineage introduced Pericles to the political sphere early on. Under the guidance of the philosopher Anaxagoras, Pericles developed a rational and scientific approach to leadership, setting him apart from his contemporaries. Pericles worked tirelessly to strengthen democracy in Athens. In 461 BCE, with the support of the people, he curtailed the influence of the aristocratic leader Cimon and laid the groundwork for democratic governance. Reforms such as expanding the jury system and providing salaries for public officials enabled broader participation of lower-class citizens in politics, fostering a more equitable society. Beyond politics, Pericles envisioned Athens as a cultural powerhouse. Under his leadership, the Acropolis was rebuilt, with the Parthenon as its crowning achievement. This temple, dedicated to the goddess Athena, became a symbol of Athenian power and artistry. Renowned sculptors and architects such as Phidias, Ictinus, and Callicrates flourished under his patronage, creating timeless masterpieces. However, Pericles' tenure was not without challenges. In 431 BCE, Athens became embroiled in the Peloponnesian War against the Spartan-led Peloponnesian League. Pericles adopted a defensive strategy, relying on Athens' naval supremacy, but the war brought significant hardships. A devastating plague struck Athens, killing a third of its population, including members of Pericles' family. The plague also claimed Pericles himself in 429 BCE. His death marked a turning point for Athens, as the city's political and military strength began to wane. Despite these struggles, Pericles' legacy endured. His democratic reforms became foundational principles for future political systems, and his cultural investments made Athens the cradle of Western civilization. Historians and philosophers such as Thucydides lauded his leadership, noting his ability to guide the people while remaining steadfast in his vision. Pericles remains a symbol of leadership, culture, and democracy, embodying the heights of human achievement in ancient Greece.